In front of me is Lenovo Idea Tab Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it, select floating windows and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To use more options of pop-up view, click on the same three dots and operate all of those. To resize it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To close it though, just go into background apps and swipe it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!